ladies. Behave yourselves. Doing a little free ranging. We looking for girls? Digging around. What do you think, they're looking for worms?
Yeah. Maybe spiders or something too.
This one here always likes to go off on her own. This one here is the egg protector. This is the one with the swollen eye, but it looks a little better today. This one here was getting pecked on by our mean Orpington. That's the ferret rock there with the missing feathers. Catch up. Come on, stay with the flock. Alright, so these ladies, we're doing a little free ranging with them, and they're getting used to the idea of being out on their own. So we're just kind of following them around the yard here. They like it under this apple tree. This gal is always dawdling. She's always letting the flock go away from her. Then she runs to catch up. Alright, that's it.